Welcome to English Bubbles Chat, where learning English feels fun.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Slow English Lessons. Thank you for joining us today. We are talking about a very important topic, the daily routine. We will follow the typical day of a man named Leo. The morning. Leo is what we call an early bird. He likes the quiet time before the city wakes up. He wakes up at 6:30 in the morning sharp. To make sure he wakes up, he always sets 2 alarms. The first alarm is soft, the second alarm is loud. First, he gets out of bed immediately. He doesn't wait. Then he goes to the kitchen for his first simple task. He drinks a big glass of water. This helps him feel awake. At 7 o'clock, Leo starts his physical activity. He does 20 minutes of light exercise or simple stretching in the living room. He does not go to a gym. He prefers to exercise at home. After exercising, he takes a quick shower to feel fresh. He always chooses warm water, not cold. Then he gets dressed in his work clothes. He believes that dressing well helps him work well. Leo eats breakfast at 8 o'clock. His favorite breakfast is brown toast with honey and a big mug of black coffee. He needs the coffee to start his day full of energy. He spends this time checking his work emails and planning his tasks. The workday. At 9 a.m., Leo starts his work from home at his dedicated desk. He is a remote programmer, which means he works on his computer. His job is difficult, but he enjoys solving problems. He works seriously without stopping until 1 p.m. He finds that his best work is done in the morning. For lunch, Leo keeps it very simple and fast. He usually eats a quick sandwich or a large bowl of vegetable salad. He tries to eat healthy food every day. In the afternoon, he returns to his computer. He works from 2 until 5 o'clock. This afternoon session is usually for meetings and small tasks. When his work is finished at 5 p.m., he closes his laptop immediately. It is important to separate work time from free time. the evening and relaxing. He changes his clothes into something more comfortable, like sweatpants. He often goes for a long walk in the nearby park, or he calls his family and talks to them. This is his way to relax his mind. Leo cooks dinner at 7 p.m. Cooking is his favorite hobby. He enjoys cooking complex pasta dishes or sometimes simple grilled fish. He cleans the kitchen completely. He likes things clean. Then he relaxes on the sofa. He reads a physical book, not a digital one. Or he watches a documentary about history or science until 10:30. He avoids watching fast or exciting movies before sleep. Finally, at 11 p.m., Leo goes to bed. He always tries to get at least 8 full hours of sleep. He knows that good sleep is the key to a good next day. Thank you for listening to Leo's detailed daily routine. Now, tell us your routine. What time do you wake up? What do you do after work? Tell us in the comments below. See you in the next lesson.
Thanks for watching this video.
Don't forget to subscribe English Bubbles chat channel